For many homeowners in Sumter, updating the home isn't just about looks anymore. It's about comfort, savings, and smarter long-term choices. One upgrade that's gaining major popularity is the installation of energy-efficient patio doors. Whether you're renovating or simply looking for ways to reduce monthly utility costs, these modern doors offer benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. A more comfortable home all year long. Sumter's mix of hot, humid summers and chilly winters means temperature control is a constant priority. Traditional patio doors often leak air, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient patio doors, however, are designed with insulated frames and multi-pane glass that significantly reduce heat transfer. The result? Your home stays cooler in July and warmer in January, without relying so heavily on your heating or cooling system. Homeowners notice fewer drafts, more consistent indoor temperatures, and an overall more enjoyable living space. Lower energy bills and long-term savings. One of the biggest reasons Sumter homeowners are making the switch is the noticeable impact on monthly energy bills. When your patio door keeps conditioned air inside and outdoor air out, your HVAC system doesn't have to run as often. Over time, this translates into ongoing savings. Many families find that energy-efficient patio doors start paying for themselves through reduced utility costs in just a few years. And with rising energy prices, this upgrade is becoming even more appealing. A quieter, more peaceful home. Energy-efficient patio doors aren't just good at insulating against temperature changes, they also help block outside noise. The same multi-pane glass and sealed frames that improve thermal performance also reduce sound transfer. For homeowners near busy roads, schools, or active neighborhoods, this added sound control creates a quieter, more relaxing home environment. Whether you're working from home or simply enjoying a quiet evening, the difference can be significant. Enhanced home security. Today's energy-efficient patio doors are built with durable materials and modern locking systems that give homeowners peace of mind. Reinforced frames, high-performance glass, and multi-point locks make these doors much more secure than older models. You're not just upgrading to save energy, you're also increasing protection for your family and property. Many homeowners in Sumter appreciate that this is one home improvement that contributes to both comfort and safety. Improved natural light with less heat. One of the best parts of having patio doors is the beautiful natural light they bring into your home. Older doors, however, often allow too much heat to pass through. Energy-efficient patio doors use low emissivity, low-E coatings that let in sunlight while blocking UV rays and heat. You get the bright, open look you love, without the uncomfortable temperature spikes or fading furniture. It's a simple way to improve the feel of your living space while protecting your belongings. Increased home value and curb appeal. In Sumter's competitive housing market, energy-efficient features are more than a bonus, they're a selling point. Upgraded patio doors add modern style, improve functionality, and boost the overall value of your home. Buyers appreciate updated energy-efficient features, and patio doors are one improvement they immediately notice. Whether you prefer sliding doors, French doors, or large glass panels, there are styles that complement any architectural design. This makes the upgrade both practical and visually appealing. A smart investment for Sumter homeowners. Energy-efficient patio doors combine beauty, comfort, and savings into one smart home improvement. With benefits that you can feel every day, from lower energy costs to improved comfort and security, it's no surprise that many homeowners in Sumter are choosing to make this upgrade. If you're looking to enhance your home's efficiency, comfort, and value, replacing your old patio doors is a simple step that delivers long-lasting results.